In front of me is OPPO A74 5G, and let me show you how to activate Talkback on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select additional settings and reach accessibility. Here at the top of the list you will notice Talkback, so just mark it, and to activate it just mark the switcher. Here you can go with this tutorial. You've got a few lessons here, but basically all you need to know is
Talkback on.
It's written on the previous page, so let me show it to you.
This feature gives you spoken feedback so you can use your phone without looking at it. When using this feature, do the following. Swipe left or right to switch between items. Double tap to activate a focused item. Drag with 2 fingers to scroll the screen. To turn off Talkback, do the following. Tap the Talkback switch and wait for a prompt saying the item has been focused. Double tap on the screen. In the dialog box displayed, tap Turn Off, and double tap on the screen. In list.
So as you can see, all you need to do is to mark something once, then double tap to select, to scroll, use your 2 fingers, and to turn Talkback off, just mark it once, click twice, select it, and click twice to stop it. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.